Well, guys, I just got out of the shower and no, I didn't swim among angelfish. Although I wouldn't have minded if I did. And I have a few friends that, we talk about different things and they talk about pets and whatnot. And angelfish. I actually have a friend that raises angelfish too. They are a really cool pet. Now, we used to have a big fish tank in our house that was like in the middle of the house. It was really cool because if you came in, you'd see this beautiful fish tank. But we decided to move things around and put our TV there so that anywhere I go in the house, pretty much I can look up at the television, watch you guys, right? So anyway, I did just get out of the shower, but today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about angelfish because I thought they were pretty cool. They live to be 10 years old, and there's all kinds of angelfish. There's freshwater and saltwater, and they do get lonely. So you want to get more than one, about 6, and they will actually breed up, like pick their own pair, and so if you want to, raise angelfish, they do like vertical more tanks than horizontal. They'll lay their eggs like on the heater and on the side, and they guard their eggs versus eating their babies, which would be like a goldfish. They'll have their babies and they'll eat them, but the mother and the father angelfish, they will actually guard their babies, and then as they get bigger, they will put them between the two of them, and they will like swim and protect them. I'm just curious too. Have any of you guys ever had angelfish? Have you ever raised them? I've never had angelfish myself. I think my parents did, Clay did, but I never. I never did. They like flakes and bloodworms. Now sometimes you'll see them, they look like they're kissing, and that could be a mating thing or it could be a sign of aggression. Um, there are no angelfish. I looked up to see if they were in the Bible because I like that type of thing too, and I didn't see that. They can. I don't know if I mentioned this. I was thinking of it. I'm looking over at a bird. Um, we have like a nuthatches are coming up to the bird feeder now. They can recognize their owners, which I thought was pretty neat. Um, so pretty much, um, that's what I can tell you about angelfish. From what I thought they'd have like a few babies, like a guppy. I don't know, maybe guppies have more babies, but I guess they can have like 300 babies at once, which I thought, wow, that's a lot of eggs. But and they don't, like I said, they don't have live. Well, I didn't say it, but I was thinking it. They don't have live births. But anyway, I was sitting out here. I was wanting to talk to you guys about angelfish before because sometimes I like to bring up things that I'm interested in because in the comments you guys always teach me and we talk to each other back and forth and everybody can learn from each other. So let me know if you've ever raised angelfish. I guess what I'm saying is, like, I like to have my YouTube channel like a community, kind of like, rather than doing live streams and stuff like that. I just figured you guys can chat among each other, or, like, I don't know about among each other because you might not want to be coming back to my channel. Go to the other person's channel and chat there. But I mean, you could look at the other comments and stuff like that. Like I said, that for that reason, I mean, you're welcome to chat among each other. But I mean, if you want the person to read what you wrote, you need to go to their channel and talk directly if there's something there. But you are welcome to anytime you can do that. But anyway, so let me know your thoughts about angelfish. I'm just sitting here and getting cool after my shower. I was rushing around watering plants and doing all that, and then I said, oh, today's a good day with it cooling off out here. Clay's inside watching the news. I figured I would talk to you guys about angelfish and that. I guess there's different colors of them too, so anyway, there you go, guys. Angelfish. Perfect gift for Christmas, too, because people are talking, I'm trying to give different ideas to people what they can give someone, but an angelfish, it's not like a puppy or something. If you know someone that needs a pet and they're having trouble, see if they can have an angelfish. That might be a nice pet, and it's, like I said, they recognize their owners and they live for a while, so, but like I said, you'll want to do your research, too, to make sure, too, on, more or less talk to people that have them, connect with other people that have angelfish, that type of thing. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless. Tell me about your angelfish.